Find a comfortable seat, either on a chair or on the floor with a cushion. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths to settle into the present moment. Begin by bringing your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breathing, the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen. Allow yourself to become fully present, letting go of any distractions. With each inhalation, feel a sense of calm entering your body, and with each exhalation, release any tension or stress you may be holding. Place one or both of your hands on your chest, and as you continue to breathe, imagine that you are breathing into your heart, activating the center of love and wisdom. Picture a warm, glowing light radiating from your heart into and around your body, creating a bright, glowing sphere around it. Feel your entire being immersed in this energy of love and compassion. As you focus on this light, silently repeat the following phrases to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I live with ease. Receive every word and feel it deeply. Allow this feeling to permeate every cell of your body and flood your senses. Stay with these statements for a few more moments and let every word resonate within you. Repeat them a few more times if you like. Next, see this light expand past your body and your surroundings and grow bigger with each breath. Visualize someone you love coming into this circle and receiving this gift of loving kindness. Picture them standing in front of you and see the same warm, glowing light enveloping them. Extend your loving kindness to this person by silently repeating, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Feel your heart opening as you send love and compassion to this person. Imagine them receiving your well wishes and notice how this makes you feel. Allow the energy of this compassionate love grow with each repetition. Say the statements a few more times if you like. Now, bring to mind someone you don't have strong feelings toward, perhaps an acquaintance or someone you neither love nor find challenging to love. Visualize this person and surround them with the same warm, glowing light of loving kindness. Silently repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." Send your compassion and love to this person, recognizing your shared humanity. Notice any changes in your feelings as you extend kindness to them. Repeat a few more times if you like. Finally, bring to mind someone you have difficulty accepting, someone who may even have caused you pain. This can be challenging, but remember, loving kindness is about opening our hearts and offering compassion even when it is hard. Visualize this person and surround them with this warm light, glowing brighter than ever. Silently repeat, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease." If you notice any resistance or discomfort that arises, offer the same compassion to yourself and your emotions. When you feel ready, gently return to repeating the phrases and seeing the light. Imagine this person finding peace and well-being. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to feel the warmth and love that you have generated. Recognize the newly found greater capacity for compassion within you. Slowly bring your attention back to your breath, feeling the gentle rise and fall once more. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this sense of loving kindness with you into the rest of your day. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you live with ease.